Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating piece of cookware, the titanium pan, specifically this 12-inch pure titanium hammered pro frying pan with a lid. If you're someone who prioritizes health, durability, and performance in your kitchen, this pan aims to deliver on all fronts. Let's break down what makes this pan stand out. First, the material itself. It's crafted from high-quality titanium, which is touted for its lasting durability. The appeal here is the non-toxic surface, offering a healthier cooking experience. The manufacturer claims it provides a better balance of performance and utility compared to more traditional materials like Teflon, ceramic, stainless steel, or even cast iron. This is a significant claim, and it's one of the primary selling points. Titanium is known for being lightweight yet incredibly strong, and it doesn't react with food, meaning no metallic taste will leach into your dishes. Moving on to its engineering for performance. This frying pan is built for versatility. It features a stay-cool ergonomic handle, which is always a plus for comfort and safety during cooking. Importantly, it supports all cooktops, including induction, which is a crucial detail for many modern kitchens. Its durable, oven-safe construction means you can go from stovetop searing to oven finishing without missing a beat. The description positions it as an essential tool for everyday cooking, suitable for anything from compact apartment kitchens to larger family homes. Let's talk about that ergonomic titanium handle specifically. It's designed to stay cool on the stovetop, providing a secure and comfortable grip. The material itself, titanium, promises lasting durability. What's interesting is the claim that the stylish surface resists fingerprints and scratches, helping to maintain a clean look over time. This is particularly appealing for those who appreciate both function and aesthetics in their kitchenware. It's highlighted as perfect for home kitchens, RVs, and even as a great option for new apartment dwellers looking for a healthier way to cook with dependable performance. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The pan features a multi-layer hammered pro composite steel construction. This is a clever approach because pure titanium, while great for health and durability, can sometimes struggle with heat conduction. By incorporating composite steel, the pan aims to overcome this limitation, enabling fast and even heat transfer. This means you can expect excellent results whether you're deep frying, sautéing, broiling, or braising. The hammered finish often contributes to better heat distribution as well, breaking up hot spots and creating a more consistent cooking surface. And when it comes to cooktops, this pan truly shines in its compatibility. Its high magnetic conductivity makes it induction ready, which is a must for many home cooks. But it doesn't stop there. It's fully compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and glass stovetops. Plus, as we mentioned, it's oven safe, adding that extra layer of versatility that can significantly expand your culinary repertoire. So, what are the pros and cons of this titanium pan? On the pro side, the health aspect is undeniable. Being PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE free means you're cooking on a surface that's free from potentially harmful chemicals found in some non-stick coatings. The durability of titanium is another major advantage. It's resistant to corrosion and wear, meaning this pan could be a long-term investment. The versatility across different cooktops, including induction and oven use, makes it a practical choice for many kitchens. The ergonomic handle and the claim of easy maintenance are also strong positives. However, there are potential cons to consider. While the composite steel construction aims to improve heat conduction, titanium cookware can sometimes be more expensive than traditional options. Also, while it's designed to be non-stick, pure titanium might not offer the same level of extreme non-stick performance as heavily coated pans, especially as it ages. Users might need to adjust their cooking techniques slightly, perhaps using a bit more oil or butter for certain tasks, especially when first breaking in the pan. Finally, while the hammered finish is aesthetically pleasing and aids in heat distribution, some might find it slightly more challenging to clean than a perfectly smooth surface, though the dishwasher-safe claim mitigates this somewhat. In conclusion, this 12-inch pure titanium hammered pro frying pan with a lid from HomePan TriPro presents a compelling option for those seeking a healthier, durable, and versatile addition to their kitchen. The combination of pure titanium construction with a composite steel core for enhanced heat performance, along with its broad cooktop compatibility, makes it a robust contender. If you're looking to upgrade your cookware with something that prioritizes your well-being and offers long-lasting performance, this pan is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.